everybody, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, so I'm gonna tint them today. You can use tinting kits like on Amazon or something, but I think the easiest way is to just use men's beard dye. And can we just talk about these models? I mean, anyways, no comment. So I am going to get rid of just the little products that I used. You basically want your eyebrows to not have anything at all, no makeup. I will also just put some alcohol on them because this really makes sure that there is no makeup or oils or anything. Okay, so now let's open this. So I'm gonna just use an angled brush. So it's the same process as if you were filling in your brows. Okay, so you just want to let this process for about 5 minutes. You don't want to do too long, but I also want to mention that a little goes a long way because I only made a little bit and I still have some left over. So this will literally last you for like a year or more. Anyways, I will be back in 5 minutes and we will take it off. Okay, it has been 5 minutes, so now let's take it off.
Bruh.
I truly do recommend getting the dark brown instead, because the black one, it kind of makes you look, because the black one looks kind of blue, you know, it makes it look blue. So definitely go with the dark brown because this is not it. I used to do this a long time ago, but I always forgot which color I got, and now thinking about it, I used to use dark brown. So don't use black, okay? Now unless you like that blue tint, but especially I would definitely recommend that if you do this, do not overline your eyebrows or it will be noticeable and it will look terrible. Okay, right now I wanted to remove it because I hated it and I couldn't go to church like that. I decided to try different things because, well, every time I've dyed my hair and I've messed up or had stains, I've used different stuff. So this one I decided to use baking soda and water. So let's see if it kind of did anything, if it removed it. Ow. But it does exfoliate it. Okay, I mean, it kind of removed some of it, but so it kind of did remove some of it. Now let's check the toothpaste one. I use like some toilet paper first. But this one I did feel like burning a little bit, so. Oh, I mean, it kind of did work. It did work. I mean, it took a lot of it off, which I'm happy about. Now it's not so like drastic. It removed most of it, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit more on. Okay, so as you can see, it's so much better than how it was before. So if you want to remove it, just remove it with either toothpaste or baking soda. I think both of them worked so well. But anyways, thanks for watching this fail, and I'll see you next time.